In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Depop. First things first, you'll need to download the Depop app. You can find it in the App Store if you're using an iPhone or in Google Play if you're on Android. Once you've got the app installed, open it up and it's time to sign up. You have a few options here. You can use your email, or if you prefer, you can sign up using your Facebook, Google, or Apple account for convenience. Next, let's set up your profile. This is where you get to let people know a little bit about you. Start by adding a profile picture to give a personal touch. Then write a bio, just a short blurb about yourself, what you're selling, or anything you want fellow users to know. If you want to cross-promote your other social profiles, you can link your Instagram or Spotify accounts as well. Now that your profile is all set, let's talk about browsing and buying items. You can easily search for items by using the search bar at the top of your screen. Depop lets you filter your searches, which is handy if you're looking for something specific. You can sort by category, size, brand, price, or even location. This helps narrow down your options considerably. When you find something you like, tap on the listing to view more details. Check out the price, read through the description carefully to understand the condition, note the shipping costs, and don't forget to look at the seller ratings to make sure you're buying from someone trustworthy. Once you've made up your mind, you can either buy the item instantly by tapping buy, or try negotiating by choosing Make Offer. If you're making an offer, communicate clearly and respectfully. Always double-check the seller's reviews before completing any purchase, as this is key to ensuring a satisfying transaction. Switching gears, if you're interested in selling items, tap the Sell button located at the bottom of the app. Take good, clear photos of your item. It's worth the extra effort as it can make a big difference. Include details like a catchy title, a detailed description, set a fair price, list the size, and select the appropriate category. Adding relevant tags will make your item easier for potential buyers to find. Finally, hit Publish to list your item. You can even create bundle listings if you're looking to sell multiple items together. Moving on to payments and shipping, Depop usually uses Depop payments accepting credit or debit cards, and in some regions, PayPal is also supported. When your item sells, the buyer pays through Depop payments, and it's your responsibility as a seller to ship the item within 1 to 3 business days. You'll be able to track your earnings directly in the app, which is super convenient. Engagement is also an essential part of using Depop. You can follow sellers or buyers to stay updated on their listings. If you have any questions about an item or need to negotiate an offer, use the messaging feature for direct communication. And if for any reason someone is being rude or spammy, remember that you can block and report them to keep your experience pleasant. Lastly, let's talk about managing your account. You can make changes to your settings, such as updating your profile information, changing the language, currency, or your password. All these settings are accessible through the app, and you can also manage blocked users, payments, and notifications from there. That wraps up our guide to using Depop. We hope you find these steps helpful and enjoy your buying and selling experience on the platform. Thanks for tuning in.